With lots of obstacles facing the struggle in life, Elon Musk built trillion-dollar company like Tesla and SpaceX. How he did it, Elon Musk shared his secret in interview that he used first principle thinking. Now, today we will discuss about Elon Musk's three-step first principle thinking, how to think and solve difficult problems like a genius. By the age of 46 years old, Elon Musk has innovated and built three revolutionary multi-billion-dollar companies in completely different fields like PayPal, financial services, Tesla Motor, automotive, and SpaceX, aerospace. This list doesn't even include SolarCity, which acquired for $2.6 billion recently. Musk himself stated that he worked approximately 100 hours a week for 15 years. No doubt, work ethic play an important role in unlocking your inner creative genius and become the best of what you do. But there are extremely hardworking people who still make little progress in life and die before sharing their best work with the world. Then what is missing link for innovative creativity and accelerated success? That missing link is first principle thinking, which is used by geniuses like Elon Musk, Thomas Edison, and Nikola Tesla. Now let's talk about how can quickly use this genius problem solving method. First principle thinking is basically the practice of actively questioning every assumption you think you know about a given problem or scenario, and then creating new knowledge and solution from scratch, almost like a newborn baby. Step number 1. Identify and define your current assumption. Here are some examples from everyday life in business, health and craft. Growing my business will cost a lot of money. I have to struggle and strive to become a successful artist. Step number 2. Break down the problem into the fundamental principle. Here is a quick example from Elon Musk during an interview.
First principles would be to say, okay, what are the material constituents of the batteries? What is the spot market value of the material constituents? So you can say, okay, it's got cobalt, nickel, aluminum, carbon, and some polymers for separation, and a steel can. So break that down on a material basis and say, okay, what if we bought that on the London Metal Exchange, what would each of those things cost? Like, oh, geez, it's like $80 per kilowatt hour. So clearly, you just need to think of clever ways to take those materials and combine them into the shape of a battery cell, and you can have batteries that are much, much cheaper than anyone realizes.
Step number 3. Create new solution from scratch. Example how this first principle thinking works. Assumption: growing my business will cost too much money. What do you need to grow a profitable business? I need to sell products or services to more customers. Does it have cost a lot of money? Sell to new customers? Not necessarily. But I will need probably access this customer inexpensively. Who has this access and how you can create a win-win deal? I guess I could partner with other businesses that serves the same customers, and we will split the profit into 50 to 50. Interesting.